Parts and function of polygraph machine. Polygraph machine is a device or procedure that measures and records several physiological indicators such as blood pressure, pulse, respiration, and skin conductivity while a person is asked and answers a series of questions. Now let's move on to the major components of polygraph instrument. The first is the pneumograph components. The pneumograph records the subject's respiratory rate. One tube is placed around the subject's chest and second is placed around his or her abdomen. These tubes are filled with air. With the subject's breath, changes in air pressure in the tube are recorded on the polygraph. The second one is the galvanograph components. Galvanograph consists of electrodes attached to the index finger and the ring finger of the left hand or to the palmar and dorsal surface of the left hand. Its function is to record the skin resistance of the subject to a very imperceptible amount of electricity. The third one is the cardiograph component. This system records changes in mean blood pressure, rate, and strength of pulse beat by means of medical blood pressure cuff containing a rubber bladder that is wrapped around the upper arm in a manner that places the bladder against the bronchial artery. The fourth one is the chemograph component. It is a motor that drives or pulls the chart paper under the recording pen at the rate of 6 or 12 inches per minute. Its function is to record the blood pressure, pulse, respiration, and galvanic skin resistance are recorded simultaneously and continuously on the surface of moving graph paper driven by chemograph. Now let's proceed to the other parts of polygraph machine. The first one is the pen lifter. It raises or lowers pen into 3 positions. Chart drive module. It propels chart paper at the rate of 6 to 12 inches per minute. It is also known as chemograph. Paper tear bar. It provides cutting edge for removal of charts. Mechanical pneumo module. It is a recording part of mechanical pneumo channel. Galvanic skin reflex module. It is the recording part of GSR channel. Mechanical cardio module. It is the recording part of mechanical cardio channel. Chart drive roller lever. Lifts chart drive roller for paper changes and paper removal. Spigmo manometer dial. It reads operating pressure in cardio channel. Pneumo 1. Pneumatic connection for upper thoracic pneumograph. Pneumo 2. Pneumatic connection for lower abdominal pneumograph. Cuff. It is a connection to cardio channel subject to cuff tubing. Pump. It is a connection for hand pump used to inflate subject cuff. Centering control. It positions pens on chart rotating clockwise raises the pen while counterclockwise rotation lowers it. Sensitivity control. It determines the tracing size, amplitude. Rotating clockwise increases size while counterclockwise rotation decreases size. GSR mode switch. It selects the operating mode for GSR channel, manual or automatic. GSR input connector. It accepts plug from GSR subject attachment cord. Cardio lock lever. It immobilizes mechanical cardio mechanism when not in use. Vent. It performs the venting function on pneumatic system. Other control mechanism of polygraph machine. Resonance control. It allows us to make a better pattern when we have too much pulse pressure of the subject. Hand electrode. This is fastened to the hand by a stretch band. Its function is to make electrical contact with the subject. The last one is the panel control that allows the operator to control or adjust the operation of the galvanograph. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Remark Bacairo 3E2 BS Criminology.